Hello students, this is the second poem from your book Honeydew and the poem name is Geography Lesson. This poem is composed by Zulfikar Ghosh. In this poem, we will be studying Geography Lesson Summary. The author of this poem is Zulfikar Ghosh. He was born in India before independence. Eventually, after independence, he settled in Pakistan and now he resides in the USA. This is a single stanza poem of 24 lines and does not have any rhyme scheme. In this poem, Ghosh talks about three things. Firstly, how everything looks from the sky. Secondly, how civilization was set up. And lastly, why people hate each other. Okay, so let me start. When the jet sprang into the sky, jet means aeroplane, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. The poet says that when he sees the city from a jet, he finds that the cities are not well planned. He realizes that water is very essential for various activities such as agriculture, transport, business, etc. As the jet moves higher, he reflects that people have built boundaries and hate each other. In the first stanza of this poem, the poet describes his city. He tells us how it appears from window of an aeroplane. It is clear that the city developed just as it was necessary for the people. So what looked haphazard on ground looked inevitable from the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Now the plane rises to a height of 10,000 feet. The poet can see the logic of geography. He can see why the cities in the country have grown along the rivers. The valleys are populated for same reason. It is land and water together that attracts the people. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. When the plane rises still higher 6 miles up, the earth looks round. From that height it is clear that the earth has more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height it was not clear why. However, one question remains unanswered. It is difficult to understand why people hate and kill one another. Thus, it is easy to understand the logic of geography from a height. However, it is very difficult to understand why humans hate one another. This remains a mystery. Okay, student? So, this was the explanation of the poem Geography Lesson. Okay? Thank you.